Schuler is the world-leading company producing press systems for the automotive industry and all forming metal products.
From a product development perspective, Schuler has two major challenges. One, our presses are huge machines made up of more than 30,000 parts, and two, Schuler is a global company. These two factors create enormous collaboration and data management challenges. V6 could help us to manage our product and process data more efficiently by grouping all this intellectual property in a single environment. For me, the system will be much more easier to manage. Everyone in the Schuler Group will have the same information at the same time.
V6 would help me do my job better because it integrates all engineering disciplines and business processes of the product lifecycle on a single platform.
Online remote collaboration reduces the problem of bandwidth and latency time. This means all our stakeholders could connect and work together simultaneously on the same product.
We'd be able to share our work in progress together in real time in 3D. We can imagine that this technology will really help us to work in different sites.
We use off-site contractors for designing and for the design process so that we can breathe with our capacity. And if we can simplify this process to bring in small offices to support our engineering process easier, with V6 this would be a big help for us.
What most interests me about V6 is the large scale of collaboration it allows. With V6, all the different groups in the company will be able to work together and innovate on the same platform.
Schuler could benefit from V6 because it can address large-scale projects. More disciplines could collaborate together, and the size and the complexity of assemblies wouldn't be a limiting factor. Plus, V6 is based on an SOA platform, which means we could easily plug it into our environment.
V6 integrates engineering practices with enterprise business processes on a single platform. Linking those two domains would make us more competitive.
If my engineers could instantly access sourcing and compliance informations, we would save time and money.
I think the biggest benefit for 3D Life for Schuler would be better communication and therefore better products. The interface allows anybody, even non-technical staff from the whole world, to navigate and understand the product in 3D.
What I like about 3D Life is that you can find any information you need instantly. It's easier to have geometry on the screen than words you have in the classical interface today.
Now, based on 3D Life and V6, I think this is intuitive to create copies, and all these things will be much more easier.
With V6, there's only one server for the whole system. That means only one server to install, customize, administrate and maintain. Overall, our IT costs would go down. We'd also be able to deploy faster because integrating new sites would be easier.